it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are with Marco. Yeah, man, Demarco. With one them. So, if you remember correctly, last year, this time, Demarco run the place. Hands down. Demarco last year, this time, at Demarco dance hall. Yeah. So, we're back right now with one them at the same time. Is he firing shots at other artists? Are we going to get a next clash this year? Wagwan. Cause the clash did nice, you know. Him and Fully Bad them and Coyote them and Shane them. The clash did nice. So what I want to say? We can get something else? Anyway, let's jump in the one and see where the G are going with another one. Let's go. Let's get it.
Them boy they a know me, them fi no co-star dead inna the movie. One inna the head, well talking on me Gucci.
Binds. Oh, clap. Binds boss, them call me now. Binds. Big up Siva. As Siva say Binds boss. Binds. So, the man say, yo, them boy, yo. Hold on, man.
Them boy they
All who know say Demarco a bad artist, drop in the comment section. No.
you know me, them fi no co-star dead inna the movie. One inna the head, well talking on me Gucci.
Them fi know say co-star dead in the movie for real, you know. Them fi know say co-star dead in the movie. Yes.
Them fi no co-star dead inna the movie. One inna the head, well talking on me Gucci. If I not the trap, then me fucking and a group it.
If I the trap that we fucking and a group it. What y'all say? Who ready for the war? Who ready for the war? Demarco is ready. Are you ready?
Anyway, you see we get the talking of your jewelry. 2 killer lock by your gate and never loaded. Rest the gap.
2 killer lock by your gate and never load it. You know when you throw load it, when you throw load the dice and you get lock on them thing that you can't ban. If you go around the board, and that the boss will tell the board right so. 2 killer there you get blood clot binds. We are getting the next war or war. War one.
By your face and them a shout it. Bless the trap, violator no a home. Let's react. This a case and no jewelry.
But that case you now go quote. This a case you now no jewelry, brother. This a case and no apart from him. Only ready for this? Only ready for this, dog? I don't think you're ready for this, man.
Clap 5 in a ears, shot slide in a face, bat dive in a grave. Tell him.
Clap 5 in a face, bat slide. What you say?
Clap 5 in a ears, shot slide in a face, bat dive in a grave.
Good.
Tell him say we not nice, we no gears. Flat.
Tell him say we not nice, we no gears. Big up not nice. But I know not nice in my thought this is still. We know that this is still. He's genuinely not nice. He's not a nice person. That is what he's telling you right there. Alright? Not a nice person. Let's go.
Line when you fucking Mac 90 a wave. Them pussy they them not likely a brave. Spotlight we a chase, stoplight we a blaze.
Binds. Yo, what is the mark? We need a lyrical warrior now, man. I go in Christmas in the man, October in the man, soon November in the Wagwan. On about now push up. Alright, call something on this man, please.
Tell the squaddy and the cops life we no save. Black like we a cave, hostile we a page.
Hostile we a page. Tell the cops. Yo, the Marco chatting on dog. Marco chatting on. Marco chat your fuck.
Want them, no. Want them, tell them don't fuck around.
So after we see how Demarco deal with dancer last year this time, who would you think would be a fit opponent to say, yo, alright then, forward, make we do this for the culture? Which artist would you think right now can say you're ready? Lyrically, bro. I remember I said Demarco right He mix him one song them, him do him one video. It man do everything for himself in the dog. Remember that thing, dog?
Want them, just want them, no. Want them, tell them no. Can flickered up, fucking pan clipper clutch.
Pan flickered up, fucking pan clipper clutch. That's crazy.
Head a chop a ground like ants in a dot. Take a one picture must, one hand flicker dust. Them boy they a pussy like gal clitoris.
Them boy they a pussy like gal clitoris. Them boy they a pussy like we under every gal. Them boy they a pussy. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Be a killer when me par with no man for your bluff. Take for your life, pussy we have plans for your cut. Empty the clip, tell them I'm not blank for your boss. Skinny weed in a hand for your puff.
Yo, shit, dog. It's too late. It's too late for me right now. It's late for me right now. I'm there as I react. It's late.
When the weed spark, when your tree talk, pop it off and squeeze fast. Then we recharge badness and nothing weak out of the priest man. Switch pan the Glock, now make it off a wheel off.
Badness enough a weak card. We know that. Badness enough a weak card. Cause with badness come grave, come grave. Let me say prizes. Yes. Switch pan the Glock, no make it wheel off. The switch with the pan the Glock, please don't make me have to wheel off my Glock and give you some binds. Suck on yourself.
Who fucking deadly no choose a wheel off. Tough in on me place, pussy who say we saw. But every
What I'm say?
fucking deadly no choose a wheel off. Tough in on me place, pussy who say we saw. But every day we never choose no week off.
Brother, I'm tough in my place, dog. Everybody know that. I'm tough in my place, brother. No matter if you say some weaker thing, bro. You see me? But every day we don't need no week off. We not take no time off. We don't need no annual leave. We not take no holiday. We not take no sick leave. No pussy. But every day. Binds.
Now the brawling son we pre-dark. Alright then. Want them, no.
All of the brawling son we free dark. You hear that? You get that? All of the brawling son, brother. Mingle day we are free darkness.
Want them, tell them don't fuck around. Want them, just want them, no.
Who I get the warning? Who do you think him attack us? This is just a general bad man song from Marco. What wanna say? You not tape now?
Tell them don't fuck around.
Yeah. I want to go on and say the chat not done it. What do you think what I want to do? Mama Clark, Shakespeare, make up yourself. Yeah, man, Demarco, warn them. Yes, crime scene. Warn them. Who am I talking about one here? Who am I talking? What want to say? Who is he speaking about? Who is he talking about? What want to say about that one here? Like me say, last year them time a marketplace. A marketplace this last year them time, bro. So warn them, you know. Warn them. Cause anybody push a foot in a brother, them I go dead. If you're not strong right now, you go dead. Don't push a foot. No push no foot when it come on to Marco, bro. Marco no play dog. Marco ready to text somebody lyrical dopey right now. Me know that. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section about this one. Who he's talking about, who could give him a nice run for him money, cause we see, like we said, we see what him do last year. We see the fuckery where him commit in a dancer, like people like I get hurt. We see it. You see me? Big up the artist them where him go up against last year, but we need some fresh opponent this time. That why they did nice. Yes. So let me know what you guys think about this one. Marco, big up yourself. Shakespeare, big up yourself. You see me? Yeah, man, warn them. Bumbo clot. Warn of the ear. Yes, man. Warn of the ear, dog. Like me say, October now. November is next month, so December is just right around the corner. Make thing nice, man. Make thing nice. Oh, I got sting. Anybody got sting? Anybody got sting this year? I don't know. All right, mix up tonight. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a record.